Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to set up a billing alert using CloudWatch. So for that, log into your console and go to CloudWatch. So in this left side, go to alarms, all alarms. So you can create up to 10 free alarms and 1000 notifications are free in free tier account. Go to create alarm and you need to select the metrics here. So here you select billing, total estimate charge, USD, select metric. You can mention maximum or minimum, how you are going to mention the statistic. The billing period is 6 hours. Once it will check. So here you give static and the billing value I am mentioning $10. If more than $10, the billing alert will be, if billing is crossing $10, then we will get a billing alert. Then next. So in this page you need to click in alarm. Next we are going to create SNS topic. So under the topic we will get a notification. So give create new topic, give some name, and then you need to specify some email ID. You can give any email ID. hello@gmail.com. So here I gave sample email ID and then create topic. So once you done, you will get a email notification. So go to your email and confirm the subscription so that it will become active. So next, so you need to give billing alarm name, $10 crossed. Next, so this is last step. So this is preview and create. So you can see here we have created our alarm. In this page you can see here we have created the alarm. So this is showing like insufficient data because I did not give subscription yet. Let me subscribe in our mail. You can see here I have confirmed the subscription. Now go to your CloudWatch and you can check here state is showing okay. So in case the alarm is triggered, it will show alarm. So like that you can create the CloudWatch for your billing alert. Also if you want, you can create the dashboard. Go to dashboard, create dashboard, give name for your dashboard and give how you want to create and choose your metrics, total estimated charge, yes, and you can get your billing dashboard here. If you like the video, give thumbs up. Thanks for watching.